Hello YouTubers, Helmet Head again. Now, I'm going to talk about something that might probably get me some dislikes, but basically, motorcycles versus horses. Now, this is quite an interesting one. I'll start off with before I have a rant, because it's going to happen. We'll talk about what you should do. So, you're coming along on a country road, there's a horse, okay? What you should do is keep over, away from the horse, as much as you can, obviously to the left, or if the horse is on the left, to the right. Slow down, that's massively key, not the last second, but prepare, slow the bike down, and if you've got a bike with a loud exhaust, like I have, either run it at very slow revs so you don't get like the bump 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 coming through that will scare the horse to absolute pieces, or if possible, and it's safe to do so, cut your engine off, coast by, wait for the horse to get out of you or a very decent way back, start your engine and pull off nice and quietly. It's great for them because they're not going to have a horse that spooks, they're not going to hate bikers, we build up a nice rep, and sometimes they say thank you. That's nice because we've got a lot of effort there to stop our bike. Anyway, that's what I'd say when you see a horse. It's obviously important that you pull over, slow down, wait until you're passively safe, and then you accelerate off. So, that's the right thing for me to say. Now here comes the rant. In the UK, I believe that, and it's probably all over the world, but in the UK I believe that anything on the road, and I mean anything that uses the public highway roadwise that we pay road tax for, have to have insurance for, should all have the same. I generally think, at the very least, horses should have some kind of road insurance if they're going to use the road. And there's an example of this. So, I was in the Cotswolds riding along with my brother-in-law, and we basically, on a narrow track, on an actual route that was suggested, came across, I believe it was 2 horses, and we did the right thing. We pulled over, we could see the horse looking a little bit like stary, cut our engines, and just stayed nice and still. The horse had a proper flip out, was bucking with the rider on, and the rider was giving me absolute evils, like it was my fault that the horse was going mad. And it was a little bit rude, and the horse must have missed my bike by, I don't know, a couple of centimetres when it was like rearing up. I mean, come on. And I guess it's not the woman's fault, because it's an animal, things are going to happen. I did the right thing. I think she should have said sorry or thank you, because it scared the bejeebers out of me. I generally thought that horse was going to knock me flying off my bike or kick me. Now, this is why I say about insurance. If I went round a bend and, God forbid, lost control for any reason and ended up hitting a person on a horse, my insurance would cover it. Me, the bike, and that person. Okay? They back up into you or kick you and damage you or your bike, and you think about this, it could break your leg if they kick you. What cover have they got? And I spoke to somebody with a horse recently that completely disagrees with me, and of course that's going to happen, and said, well, it's between the rider and the person on the horse to come to an agreement. Well, good luck with that, because how many people are going to agree to, for instance, if they smash up your leg or break your leg or cause anything else, what person is going to go, yes, don't worry about it, I'm going to buy you a brand new bike of the equivalent, I'm going to pay for any medical treatment that you may need, and I'm going to pay, if you don't get paid sick pay, we're going to cover your sick pay for the 6 months you're off work. They're not going to. And in my experience, a lot of people I come across don't like us. Obviously, they've got a thing that they don't like us, and it's all our fault, and they would have kicked out if we went on the road. Well, we pay road tax, we pay insurance, we pay to be there. That's my rant. And now, like I say, that's probably going to get some dislikes, maybe some likes, I don't know, but that's what I feel about it. So anyway, if you agree, it's hard for me to say this, put your thumbs up and be with me there. I mean, it's not going to change, it's just a rant, and like I said, the most important thing of all is make sure when you see a horse on the road, don't try and spook it, pull over. Even if the person on the horse is rude and doesn't say thank you or is rude to you, just pull over, do the right thing, be the better person, pull over, cut your engine off if possible, and accelerate away quietly once they've passed and it's nice and clear. I'm going to leave it there because that's on a positive note, and take care. See you next time. Bye bye.